Hello guys, it's unboxing of SFX small form factor case, then case plus Lian-Li A4H2O. It's my favorite looking small factor form factor case on the market, and I choose it. One major reason is because its compatibility with third slot GPUs. Let's go check. Now we have good packet case, user manual. Hope you need to install all the parts in it. Okay, main specifications is I have version with PCI 3 and another version is PCI 4 and in two different colors. It's black one and silver one. I almost have all my technique were in black color, and it's no brain decision for me. As you can see, it's for comparison, it's a 27-inch monitor, and this is how computer exactly look. Oh, whoa! Such a nice finish. I very like it. How it feel? Yeah, you can see there is a power button, USB Type-C 3.1 and USB 3.0 and headphone and audio jack. You can see branding only at the back of the corpus. It supports up to 3 slots GPU, and width for the GPU maximum is I think about 322 millimeters. Yes, it's a main reason why I choose this case. You have a lot of different options on the market for SFF format, but it's I think the smallest one that you can choose for this type of building. Chicks. I unscrewed. Yep. It's mounted on 4 pins. This. It's plug in this plastic base. I think plastic or metal. I think it's plastic. You have your PCU shroud zone. You disassemble it and put your PCU here. It's a zone for your motherboard, mini ITX motherboard. Okay. You have rubber feet, and as I have a white table, we can check does it leave some I think it's good working, because I see a few problems with other cases with the rubber feet on the bottom that leave their steps at the tables. Okay. Yep, just like it. And it's top, I think it's the same. Yeah. You can disassemble it for so much easier installation. It's a front cover. Yeah. Так, it's a... Yes, it's right. What we see here, it's very solid. It's really very solid. You can, it's don't flexible at all. I very like it. It's a place for 2.5 inch SSD. You can leave this only one 2.5 inch SSD or hard drive, maybe, possibly you need it. It's a I/O connections from the front. PCU riser. Yep. And then I don't know what this means. Need to read manual. Yeah, front USB. Yep. You can place here up to 240 millimeters I/O, and I buy for this build from UK Waterblocks 240 I/O in black color. Whoa. And I just wait for my PCU. I need to wait it, and after that I complete it. For first looking, I very like it. You can check my next video, I think, where I all put in this bad boy. Oh, very solid, feeling very good. I use before, I have now NZXT Manta Mini i3X, and before I have NZXT H500 case, and I can say that it's a little bit better. It's a little bit better, for my opinion. Wow, it's such unique. I need to try it with my backpack. Yes, I returned with my North Face backpack. It's a little big, and I think that it possibly can fit this case. And I have an eco bag for comparison. Yeah, and yeah, oh yeah, yep, it's definitely fit in the bag, you know, like it's made for it, very light. It's North Face Basilis, I think, Borealis, I'm sorry, very light. I use it for about 3 years or 4 maybe, and it's some sort of life, but definitely recommended. And let's go with I think it's very easy fit in. Yep. Chicks. It's my bag from the Kharkiv store. Восторг. Yeah, yeah. You see, you going on the street like this with this bag, and no one knows that you have such you can put there such a performance machine. I see and that you can put in this case 4090 from Gainward. It's really fit by length and 3 slots, and you can fit definitely taking it i9 1390K, and it's working, you know. Who can imagine this type of power in such a small form factor? I create another video when I put all in, and definitely tell what I think about this. Thank you.